The time has come to find out how many countries I have coins for. Hey everyone, thanks for joining. This video is a quick check-in to see just how many countries I have coins for. I've printed up boxes for all 195 sovereign nations in the world, and we're going to fast forward through my sorting. Let's go! Alright, sorting is done. That took about an hour. So out of the 195 countries in the world, we have coins for 75. So only about 38% of the world. That's exciting because it shows I have a lot more collecting left to do to get all 195. I also found out I have coins for countries that don't even exist anymore. Yugoslavia, British East Africa, and others. If you want to do this exercise yourself, I've included a link in the description to a spreadsheet. This has all the 5 sheets there. You can print yourself. And I'm excited for coin collecting in 2021. I plan to release videos of my coins throughout the year, and I'd also love to exchange coins with you. In the description, I have a list of countries I have coins for, and all the countries I'm missing. If you send me a coin from a country I don't have, I'll send you a few coins back. Maybe a few dozen colones, who knows? Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.